I have to say it's been a brilliant day. The support from the FotoFinder team, the speakers, they're such an enthusiastic, they're a brilliant bunch. And with regards to spending time listening to Jeppy, to Emilios, to Catriona and to Zoe, it's a great day. And the setup at the facility here is amazing as well. So it's been one of those great days of education.
And what are your top takeaways today?
I think it's always about the passion in dermoscopy and the enthusiasm of education and how everything that's done here is to actually make a difference that you can take back to your clinical practice to the betterment for your patients. And so that's the theme that's running through, that everything has to be relevant and everything has to be aimed at improving patient care. And also that there's so many different angles. You always pick up different pieces of information, different pearls from different speakers, and there's too many to mention, but I'll certainly be looking closer at people's nails for the pink lesions underneath them.
Okay, then let's come to why do you love dermoscopy and what comes to your mind when you hear FotoFinder?
So why do I love dermoscopy? Well, I've been fortunate to have my whole academic and clinical practice as a dermatologist during this evolution of dermoscopy. So I first was exposed to dermoscopy 25 years ago, and as it became more mainstream in 2000s, I was able to actually develop an academic interest in this and took that into my clinical practice in Oxford. And then with that, to spend 20 years learning more about dermoscopy, learning more about clinical diagnosis as the technology also evolves, and also then to be able to actually integrate technology into your clinical practice, and that's where FotoFinder come in. I think having a system that is able to capture information that is relevant, reproducible, and is of a quality that you can actually help your patients, and also with the clinical practice, but then also be used for education. It's the gold standard of actually managing patients with high risk moles and melanoma.
Great. Okay, one last question. What's your favorite song that describes best your life as a dermatologist?
Oh, my favourite song? I'm a sucker for Elvis. So I suppose If I Can Dream, I think that would be the main tune. It builds right the way through the end, but there's got to be hope at the end of it. And so I hope that we'll be able to actually do a better job for our patients and crack the diagnosis of melanoma.
Perfect. Great answer, great choice.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
You're very welcome, thank you. We love dermoscopy.